Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap here to the features section. After that click here to record screen and you'll see here sound source section. Click here. Now we can use only system sounds on our device, so in screen recordings, so you'll use the all of the medias, the ringtones, notifications. Also, if you want, you can use the microphones, so for example, to comment something in your screen recording, or also you can mute your videos. So just by this way you can switch the sound settings. Also, we can make it by another way. Just first you should open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here you should find screen recording icon. Just hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same sound settings here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.